Okay, because I couldn't have a lesson with you actually, now I'm going to record for you something and hope that it's going to be helpful. So, reading, and you had your concern with true false not given. So we will start with this text today and true false not given, and probably I'll give you some other useful tips. So when I see that the task for the text is true false not given, I don't read all questions, because I know that the questions in true false not given come in order. It means that in the text somewhere I'll first find the answer to the question 1, and only later I'll find the answer to questions 2 and 3. And if I read the text and I see already something about August Wilhelm Hoffmann, for example, I will know that I have already missed previous two questions 1 and 2. And I'll go back and look for them earlier in the text. That's why I will read only questions 1, 2 and 3 now, and underline keywords in order to help me to find these words and this information in the text. So let's try it. Of course, the names are really helpful. First person, to recognize Perkins' ability as a student of chemistry. Recognize his ability. Okay, again, Michael Faraday suggested Perkins should enroll in the Royal College of Chemistry. Okay, then Perkins. And the name again, and employed, so he employed this person. Okay, so I've briefly read these sentences. Now I'm going to locate them in the text. So let's switch to the text. I do not scan the text for these questions, and I do not read the text many times. That's the secret actually to my reading. What I do is read the text paragraph by paragraph and do all tasks at the same time. Of course, now we only have one. But when I have 2 or even 3 tasks, I just do them at the same time. How? So here I have this first paragraph. Let's read it now together, and then we will go and check all tasks, right? So I will pause the recording now and read it through, and you can do the same with your recording, and then we will try to compare what we have found. So this first paragraph is basically about the beginning of his interest in chemistry. Let's go back and check if we have anything related to this paragraph. Recognize the ability as a student of chemistry. So here it's all about childhood. So I find this paragraph unrelated to our question. But this paragraph can be used for the second or third task that this text has. For example, if it's headings, or if it's, for example, filling in the gaps, something here should be necessary for an answer. So I wouldn't probably use it for true false not given, but it would be used for another task. Okay, then we have here the second paragraph. Again, I'm pausing the video, take your time to read it, and let's see if we have anything here related to Perkin as a student, and if we have this surname Michael Faraday, okay? And yes, I totally see that Michael Faraday is mentioned here, and I'm reading now about Perkins' students' years. Now I'm going to analyze my sentence in true false not given in relation to this paragraph. So, what we do usually, we don't compare two sentences, one from the text and one from here from the task. No, we compare this sentence that we have in the task to the text and verify how true this sentence is. So, Michael Faraday was the first person to recognize Perkins' ability as a student of chemistry. So I saw Perkins' ability as a student of chemistry. I saw here his talent, his talent and devotion to the subject. Yeah, so I think that's his ability. Here it's written that it's were perceived by his teacher, Tom